Hey everyone, I'm Lauren from Pic-Time, and today I'm going to show you some basic download settings you can set in your galleries, as well as introduce you to a few different ways you can price your download offerings, depending on your photography business. With Pic-Time, there's lots of different ways you can elevate the experience for your clients and give them products they'll actually enjoy. First, let's start with the basics, setting up free photo and GIF downloads. We'll go to a specific gallery, and in the Gallery Setup tab, open the download settings. You can enable free high resolution and web resolution for certain types of users. For example, wedding photographers will often enable free high resolution downloads for their main clients only, and free web size downloads for everyone else like the wedding guests. Then, if you have high resolution downloads available in your shop, guests can purchase those instead. You can also allow a certain number of free high-resolution downloads, such as 25 included images in a family session, or 10 final photos in a portrait session. Then, I can also enable downloads for certain scenes only, such as a scene of final edited images. This photo download settings applies to images and GIFs only. If you upload any video clips, those are always available for download, so your guests can easily share them on social media. You also have the option to offer free or paid downloads for featured videos here, and slideshows, which can be found in the Photos and Media tab in the slideshow settings. For example, you can sell a highlights video of the event to the guests, or create social media slideshows for graduation or lifestyle portraits, or for your vendors to share. Speaking of selling, let me show you how to set up the pricing for your download products. In the Shop and Automation section, we'll go to the Pricing tab. You can create different shop fronts or price lists with specific labs, products, and pricing, and assign that price list to a gallery so your clients can shop those specific items with their photos. We'll go ahead and open up a price list and checkmark to enable the photo download product. You can set up different resolutions of download, so let's do a social media one. You can click the pencil icon to fully customize the description and details, including the size, download terms, and a custom release form. Then you can price the download. The price is what your client will see and pay. You can set up a single price for the download, or you can checkmark this volume pricing option to incentivize your clients to purchase more downloads at a reduced rate and put a price cap on the downloads if you want to sell the full gallery. Whenever you're pricing your downloads, just keep in mind their purpose and any potential lost sales. For example, I may want to price my high-resolution downloads pretty high if I'm allowing my clients to print outside of their gallery shop using that download. Or I might want to price my social media downloads more affordably so clients are encouraged to buy more and share more. And for your slideshows and featured videos, you can set up a few simple price points here in the price list. And then, when you're in the slideshow or featured video settings, you can select your price from the drop-down. There's even more options, such as download packages, custom digital products, and you can even email downloads from orders directly to your clients. And with your vendors, you can set up custom download terms and set a separate shop visible to only them to further extend your network and clientele. You can always check out our Help Center to learn more. But these simple setups I shared today will get you started delivering galleries with fun and easy download options for all of your clients.